Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayana, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to the Glee Studio. So today I have managed to complete about 300 of the names. So with respect to the writing, 30% complete. I haven't done painting as much on top of it, mostly because of the reason that I want to see how the writing pans out and if I have to readjust colors, yes or no. So I really didn't want to finalize anything on the base of the painting as such. So I've decided to keep on writing for a few more days to see how the rest of the space looks and then start readjusting colors on Sri Vishnu or Adishesha or Lakshmi Devi, Brahmaji and so on. So that is the plan for now. Yeah, like I said in my previous update video, it's going to take about only for the writing 35 to 40 hours, but I give 20 more hours to finalize the detailing and such. So still we are in the count of 60 hours expected work, which will definitely be split across the coming days. I am actually targeting only to work on 1 hour of writing per day so that I'm not too much boggled down into what exactly is being written. I can focus a little more and try to do justice to each word that's being written. So that's the whole thing. And overall, the view from a distance, it's still has the color patterns of the blue. So blue, a lot of blue here and the pink there. And the next layers of writing will be more of purple and possibly coming to the bright red side here. And then we'll have to see how it looks or adjust color. So that's another challenge to solve after every writing is done, to just have a look at it from a distance. Does it look still like the evening sky, bluish, pinkish, sky and such? And that goes also for the water when I do that. But hopefully that will be less of a color challenge because it's going to be darker blue to write on top of this. So let's see how that goes. So that's it for now. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram.